R is a powerful open source programming language and software environment primarily used for statistical computing and data visualization. It's a versatile tool for tasks ranging from basic data manipulation and analysis to complex machine learning and statistical modeling. Now we will see how to install R on your desktops. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type rcrane, press enter, click the link that says the Comprehensive R Archive Network, click on Download R for Windows, click Install R for the first time, click Download R 4.5.0 for Windows. This is the latest version of R. When you click the link, the download will begin. Once the file is downloaded, double-click the installer to begin the installation. Select English as your preferred language. Accept the license. Remain with the default path. Remain with the default option. The installation begins. Once the process is completed, click the Finish button. Once you installed R, go to your desktops and click the R icon. The R console will appear and ready to accept the commands. After installing R, now we will see how to install RStudio. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type RStudio. Press enter. Click on the first link that says Download RStudio. Scroll down the screen to download RStudio for the desktop. Click the Download RStudio button. Scroll down the screen. You will see two options. The first one is Install R and the second one is Install RStudio. If you do not already installed R, then download and install R first, then download and install RStudio. If you already have R in your desktop, then just click on the Download RStudio desktop for Windows. This will initiate the downloading of exe file. Once the file is downloaded, double-click the installer to begin the installation. Choose the default path, click Install. The installation will begin. Once the installation finished, click the Finish button. Now, in your taskbar, type RStudio. This will open the RStudio interface. This is the console panel that is used to execute the code directly. And this is the environmental panel that shows the currently saved projects. The File tab navigate through the files. Plot tab shows the graphs that you have created. Package tab shows the packages already installed in your system. Now we will see what is the difference between RStudio and R console. Console is the basic command line interface. It is simple and lightweight. You can type command, for example, print data analysis. The result appear immediately below. It has limited support for debugging and code organization. While RStudio is a full-featured integrated development environment, it can easily navigate through files and projects. It has integrated plotting and package management. For example, if you type a command, it also has the automatic code completion option. So if you are a beginner, RStudio is more suitable for you.